Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. There are a number of identical door beans located on the fresh food doors. They allow for additional storage space. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the French doors. To remove this broken bean, we need to push it up to unlock it, and then we can slide it out. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the door bean, we need to bring it in, slide it in, so these tabs would be locking into these channels here on the side. So just push it in and then push it down. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.